You dress today like a workman. Yesterday I thought you were going for a wedding. I say well done. The Deputy Senate President. Thank you. The Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Kalu, thank you. Former governors of Benue, Ekiti, Enugu, and the leading voice of opposition, whether you are in coalition or otherwise, Abamoro, you are welcome. The Chairman, Senate House of Representatives for the Federal Capital Territory, all the members of National Assembly, I welcome all of you. Members of Diplomatic Corps, traditional rulers, they told me how cooperative you are and all you did to collaborate with the FCT minister and respectively, you have been relocated. Not that we grabbed the land like any government. We want development. But how well we organize and execute them depend on us. Because you are there, we are there because of the trust you have in us. Thank you very much for the cooperation. We thank you. And we thank the Minister of FCT too for relocating your community with peace and good compensation. I am honored to be here with you today to commission yet another critical infrastructure, the arterial road number N16 Shehu Shagari Way, from Ring Road Nnamdi Azikiwe to arterial road number N20 Wole Soyinka Way, including an interchange and other roads in Kantape district of the Federal Capital Territory. This project represents more than a stretch of asphalt. It affirms our commitment to urban transformation under our Renew Hope agenda. Since assuming office in May 23, this administration has been guided by a philosophy anchored on reform and regeneration. Today, we've seen tangible proof of that philosophy in action. The corridor was underdeveloped for years, despite the central role in the Abuja Master Plan. Today, that narrative has changed. What was once missing as a link is now a modern, functional, and durable infrastructure. The artery, fully realized through the leadership of the FCT administration under the Honorable Minister, Barrister Wike. This road will ease traffic, congestion around central Abuja, and improved connectivity to developing districts such as Katape and Jai and Mambushi. It will stimulate housing and business growth while serving as a foundation for future city integration. Infrastructure is not a luxury. It is a necessity. It is the bedrock of national competitiveness, growth, social integration, and economic opportunity. We recognize that our nation's development is linked to the quality of infrastructure, connecting people, cities, and industry. There's no way industrialization will flourish without it. We are investing in roads, rail, air, healthcare, education, and digital infrastructure. It is only through this coordinated and integrated development that we can unlock Nigeria's full potential. I promise you we will. Once again, I commend the Honorable Minister of FCT, Barrister Wike. His team, because he could not work alone. He could not achieve this alone. Without your collaboration as a team builder, a team player, it is impossible. But you have proved that teamship is the hallmark of good leadership. The role belongs to the communities as citizens of Abuja and us as the federal government. I urge you to protect it and use it wisely. The government has played its part. We did not ignore it. We did not worry about protests. And as I commissioned this road, insisting to the glory of God Almighty, I reaffirmed our commitment that we will continue to build, we will continue to serve the people, no matter how much the naysayers pursue their politics. We have somebody in he's a Wike. He's not a member of my party. Not yet. But this is mine. And let me start with progressive. We welcome him. Because we will wear him in singing. As he dey pain us, he dey sweet us. Thank you very much. To the glory of God, I declare this road commissioned and the benefit of humanity. May God bless Abuja Capital Territory, bless Nigeria, and keep our troops safe. Keeping up. Thank you very much.